Hello. Good morning, smart investor. Today I'm taking you on a tour to see Orchid Road, and then what you should expect when it's raining if you have property on this road. All right, we just come down from Lekki Ichaba Expressway. This is the alternative route through Lekki Conservative Center. The bush by the right hand is where you have the Lekki Conservation. If you have been following me for some time now, I've been doing video showing this Orchid Road, and then most of the time is on a request, and sometimes it's from the comment section. If somebody is saying the video is not complete, excuse me. So we'll be taking the tour. Today is a wet day. It's not really raining like that, but then there's little drop of rain overnight. So I'll be taking you around. I will drive to wherever the road seems better, and then I'll do my best to cover wherever I can cover on this road today. Come with me and watch this video till the very end. Most especially if you are Nigerian in diaspora and you have property on this road. This video, I think you need to watch till the end. Hopefully I will get to where your property is located, so keep watching. And if the video did not get to where your property is on this road, you can request, give me the estate name, and then I will take you on a drive tour to see the road straight to your estate. If you find the video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with your loved one, let the video go viral, and then by doing that, you are helping a young man like me to grow in my business. You are encouraging me to do more. Thank you. And then we take the tour. Yes, this is Orchid Road. We are still having our smooth drive. God's favorite house, I think, is a church. And then to the left hand is where we have the Orchid Hotel. We have several hotels on this road. Recreational center like Dream World Africana is located right on this road. And we have one big mall ahead of us. I'm too sure we'll get there. Yes. My name is Ichaba from Ichaba Reuters TV, a real estate consultant in Lagos, Nigeria. I delight in giving you an affordable land for sale, house for sale in Lagos, Nigeria. And I also show you the road tour, the environmental updates still on my channel. So if you are seeing my video for the very first time, please use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel so you can stay connected. Whenever I drop a valuable content like this, you will be notified. So guys, we are still on the journey. This is still Orchid Road. There's so much development happening on this road. Yes, this axis is fast developing. A lot of estates, duplexes, blocks of flats are springing up on a daily basis here. Here is the mighty Mega One event center in case you want to do wedding, you want to do birthday, you want to do naming ceremony. Yes, you can make use of this hall. It's conducive, security is nice. They have armed men on guard, and then CCTV camera is fully installed, and this is their mall. So a lot is happening right here. I'm sure you see we are not having that smooth drive any longer. So the road construction is still ongoing, and then we hope with time we have the full smooth drive right here on Orchid Road. Yes, this is one lane. The construction keep going, so keep hope alive that the road will be completely tarred with time. Stay tuned. Keep coming with me, sir. You can see by the left, by the right hand, everywhere you are seeing interlocking stone. So construction is ongoing, and then let's hope with time all of this place will be fixed. This is the roundabout. That's another school you are seeing there. Okay. And then we'll keep on going. We are driving toward Ocean Bay. Oh, nice. This place is better now. Oh, wow. Nice. We are getting there. Okay, this is another big school here, Whistle Children's School. This is amazing. Stop here again. All Alright guys, I'm stopping this video right here. The road construction is still ongoing, and then we'll get to the full development with time. So I'll be ending this video right here. Then the next time I'll continue from here. I look forward to see you again in the next episode of this Orchid Road tour. So subscribe to stay connected so you don't miss out of this video. I'll be coming back again next time to show you this road.